Hey everyone! Today, let's dive into a really cool opportunity from Sendwin. They're basically giving you the keys to their powerful pro features, and, well, it won't cost you a thing.
And we're not talking about a small discount here. The Pro plan we're looking at, it's normally $119 a year. So, right out of the gate, that's some serious value on the table.
And yeah, you heard that right. All of that can be yours for free. No credit cards, no weird trial periods that you forget to cancel. It's just free.
Okay, so what's the deal here? Well, at the heart of this whole thing is a super simple exchange. Think of it less as a handout and more like a collaboration. You know, for a growing company, real feedback from actual users is pure gold, way more valuable than a lot of other things they could spend money on. I know what you're thinking, because it's the first thing I thought too. Okay, what's the catch, right? Every great offer seems to have one, so let's just get straight to it. And honestly, the deal couldn't be more straightforward. It's a direct trade. You give them your feedback, a feature idea, a suggestion, something you think would be cool, and in return, you get a full year of pro access. Simple as that.
And look, Sendwin is being totally upfront about this. In their own words, they say, in return, we want your feedback. Help us build the best experience. So they're basically inviting you to the drawing board to help them build the future of their own product. That's pretty cool.
So if you're thinking, all right, I'm in, how do you actually do it? Well, it's a really easy 3-step process to get your hands on that free Pro plan.
Seriously, it doesn't get much easier than this. First, you just open the live chat on their site. Second, you share your idea. And third, the best ideas get rewarded. That's it. No complicated forms, no hoops to jump through, just a chat.
Now you might be sitting there thinking, but what kind of idea is good enough? Let's talk about that for a second, because they're not looking for some earth-shattering invention. They're looking for genuine, useful feedback.
So the key thing here is that it doesn't have to be some huge, revolutionary feature. They're looking for stuff like, describing a feature you wish existed, sharing a little annoyance you've run into, or suggesting a new integration. Even just explaining how your idea would make life easier for other users, that's super valuable stuff.
And they use this term pain points, which is exactly what it sounds like. It's just any problem, frustration, or friction you feel when you're using the app. Anytime you find yourself thinking, I wish this was easier, or why can't I just do this one thing? Boom, that's a pain point. And that's exactly the kind of feedback they want.
Okay, like with any offer, it's always a good idea to peek at the fine print. So let's just quickly walk through the key details so you know exactly what to expect. No surprises.
So here's the rundown. It's open to everyone. New users, existing users, doesn't matter. The reward is that full 12 months of pro access. The winners are picked based on the top feature requests, and they'll let you know by email, so, make sure you use a real one. And last but not least, just know that when you submit your idea, you're giving them the thumbs up to actually use it. Makes sense.
So why even bother? I mean, is it really just about getting a free subscription? Let's zoom out for a second, because I think there's something bigger going on here than just saving a few bucks. And this is the part I find really compelling. Yeah, the free plan is great, but you're also getting to directly help shape the future of Sendwin. Your idea could literally become a feature in the app. Plus, they mentioned that really awesome ideas could get even more pro access, and you become a valued member of their early community. You're not just the customer at that point. You're kind of like a co-builder.
So, that really just brings us to the final and most important question. After all of this, after seeing how it works and what you get out of it, the only thing left to ask is, what's your winning idea?